Here's an example of what pins look like on the schematic. I put down 3 pins. The first one is a digital input pin. Notice that the wire going to it is green. PSoC Creator by default uses that color to indicate digital signals which are never directly connected to analog signals. The second pin in the middle, labeled pin 2, is a digital output pin. Notice that in this case the green wire extends to the right and there's a little arrow to help you remember that this is in fact a digital output. On the bottom we have pin 3. That has a yellow wire. It also extends to the right, but analog pins can be both inputs and outputs in PSoC Creator. When you first place a pin on a PSoC schematic, PSoC Creator gives it a name. However, this name here is completely arbitrary. It does not imply that this pin is actually connected to pin 1 on the chip. That I find a little confusing, so I immediately like to reconfigure this and change the name to something like P0_3 because I intend to connect this pin to port 0, bit 3. It's not connected to that yet. I've just changed the name. To make the connection, it's quite easy. Just go over here to the Pins tab and double-click on that. And you get this pin assignment window here on the right, and notice that's the name that I chose. And that's a great reminder because if I use this pull-down menu here, I see P03 as one of my options, and now I can clearly see the correspondence between the name that I chose and the port number that it's actually assigned to. That's really all you have to do to assign a pin to a physical location on the chip. It's this Pins tab on the left side.